Welcome to 3NS, your AI agent, smart website, and Web3 domain, all in one. In this quick walkthrough, we'll explore the four main aspects of 3NS. Agent, with which you can chat privately or directly and train it. Links, that connect directly to your content. Skin, to design and share your AI agent's appearance. And finally, Web3, to publish and protect it all. There's loads more under the hood. So if you ever want extra help, just click the help link on any screen. And stick around. If you're one of our early users, you're in luck. Founding members get special pricing, starting as low as $49.99. Just grab your discount code during checkout, and even better, refer your friends and save on your renewal. One friend, 50% off. Two friends, 75% off. Three friends. Your next renewal is free. Share your link, help others get started, get rewarded. Now let's check out links. This is where your agent learns. Add videos, blogs, documents, or social profiles. Your domain doesn't just display them on your website, it reads them in real time and understands what they say. That gives your agent real context. So when it chats to you or your visitors, it knows your voice, your focus, and your work. You can see your smart public page update instantly, or by pressing share. This is your 3ns.link website. You can also control who sees your page. Require users to enter their email address before they access it. Perfect for lead capture if you're a creator or sales agent. Or set a passcode for exclusive communities, private client hubs, or family access. Now let's meet your agent. It's already learned from your links and previous chats. Just hit train to start interacting. Ask it anything, and here's the game changer. You can switch between the world's top AI models, GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, without switching tabs or apps. Everything is built into one interface. You only pay for what you use. No subscriptions, no unused credits. Just smart AI that actually saves you money. Prefer to self-host? Run your own models locally with Ollama. It's fully customizable and completely private. Next, we move to Skin, the face of your AI agent. It's your link hub and chat agent. Here you can customize everything. Fonts, colors, layout, even animated video backgrounds. Want to earn from your creativity? You can publish your design as a community skin. Here's how it works. Give your skin a name and optional passcode. Others can request access using their email. You choose whether to approve them, build a mailing list, or even charge for access. This is the face of your AI agent, and you can preview exactly how it looks at any time, on desktop or mobile. Finally, let's talk Web3. With one click, you can publish your entire setup, links, agent training, chats, and skins to the blockchain. Your .web3 domain becomes a digital asset. You can version it, roll back, transfer it, or even pass it down as your digital legacy. 3NS also connects with powerful no-code tools like N8N and Active Pieces. That means your agent can do more than chat. It can take action. This isn't just a domain, like it's your digital twin. Own your AI, claim your identity, protect your mind. Grab your AI agent domain today